The flooding tunnel is over that ridge. We'll get in that way. Let's find Ray.
Where am I?
You're my guest. I know you've seen the map, and now you'll give it to me.
I'm not giving you anything.
Give me the map!
Never.
Wait here.
The scavenger resisted you.
She is strong with the Force!
Then the resistance must be destroyed before they get to Skywalker. Prepare the weapon.
Supreme Leader, I can get the map from the girl.
Bring her to me.
You will remove these restraints and leave this cell with the door open.
I will remove these restraints and leave this cell with the door open.
Huh?
Oh.
Huh?
The longer we're here, the less luck we're gonna have. The shields.
I have an idea about that.
Hey! Intruders!
Rebels have infiltrated the base. Eliminate them immediately. Don't you think we have to come down there by yourself?
All right, big deal. Now what?
Phasma won't be able to resist coming down and dealing with us herself. And that's when we make her lower the shields.
Oh, as simple as that, huh?
You're all useless. Must I always take matters into my own hands?
What was your job when you were based here?
Sanitation.
Sanitation?
You won't be able to take out Phasma this easy. Trust me. Just wait until Phasma gets a hold of you. Hey, I recognize that guy. Fire! Fire! Fire!
Do you think you can destroy this battle station? You are sorely mistaken.
Move in on the rebels! Stop them before Phasma is really gonna let us have it.
Pathetic. I will deal with you myself then. Come out, wherever you are.
We're going to need that power core if there's any chance of us capturing Phasma.
Cowards, stop hiding. You're measly rich.
She takes one step on this, and she'll be in for the shock of her life.
I think you're enjoying this a little too much, kid.
It works! Not so tough now, are you, Phasma?
Less gloating, more capturing. We need that shield down.
Get down here. Let me show you how to deal with intruders.
The only way this plan is gonna work is if we use that power core. I'd like to see her brush this one off. Let's get her to the system control room. We can shut down the shield from in there.
I won't make the same mistake twice. Don't celebrate quite yet. Your pitiful band of peasants will never destroy this base, whether you've captured me or not.
Open the door, now! You want me to blast that bucket off your head? Lower the shields.
You're making a big mistake.
What do we do with her?
Is there a garbage chute? Trash compactor?
Yeah, there is.
Finn, what are you doing here?
Escape now. Hug later.